Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change Rakuten card. So the first step that you have to do is to access your Rakuten account. So just log into your Rakuten card application or website to view your current card details. Once you're in, you have to navigate to the card management. So just go to the card services or card and manage card section from the main menu. So you will just see it in there. So you click on it and then select card change option. So you have to look for the change card design or even the upgrade card or replace card, depending on your needs. And then next is to browse available card options and select your preferred card type or design. So you can review any fees if there are applicable. So you will just see it in there. And lastly is to confirm the replacement. So review the change request. So you confirm your delivery address and submit your new card. So it will just arrive in 7 to 10 business days. So just be patient. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!